Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. I know I'm quite late in posting pickles, especially mango, but if you get hold of any raw mangoes, make sure to make this lip-smacking grated mango pickle. It tastes great with rice, dosa or even roti. Anyone new to my channel? Go hit the subscribe button if you want to see more such videos. So let's get started. This is so simple to make and all you need is just 10 minutes of your time along with a few pantry ingredients. This is an instant pickle and not the long-lasting one which you store for almost a year. This keeps good for about 1 to 2 months when refrigerated. Choose a large, firm, dark green mango. If the mangoes are soft and juicy to start with, then the mango pickle will spoil because of excess moisture, especially if you make large quantities. And sour mangoes work best for this recipe. Today I am just using one mango. Wash the mango well, dry it completely with a cloth without any traces of moisture. Peel the mango and grate it. Discard the seed. Now transfer the grated mango to a bowl. So now for measuring, use any measuring cup of any size or however you want, but measure all the ingredients, especially the red chili powder and salt, with the same cup as you measure the mango. So now I got 3 cups of mango grate with this cup. So I'm measuring my chili powder and salt with the same cup. So to the mango grate, add red chili powder. This quantity of red chili powder is for medium spicy pickle. You can increase or decrease the quantity to suit your taste. Spice levels will also depend on the type of chilies used to prepare the red chili powder. The amount required will also depend on the sourness of your mango. So just adjust to suit your taste. Turmeric powder, salt, and regarding salt, remember that always less is more. So always add a little less salt than what is mentioned. You can always add salt later. Roasted mustard powder and roasted fenugreek powder. For those of you who are not familiar with pickling, just dry roast mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds separately and powder them. Usually this is something I have it handy in my pantry because I use them for many recipes. Now mix everything well and set aside. And now let's do the tempering. Now for the tempering, add oil to a pan. Sesame oil works best for this pickle, but you can also use peanut oil. But don't use the normal regular sunflower oil. To this add mustard seeds, very little fenugreek seeds. Don't add too much, otherwise pickle will turn bitter. Few peeled garlic pods, red chilies, once the mustard seeds splutter, add in some Asafoetida and a few curry leaves. Turn off the heat and transfer the hot tempering to the mango mixture. But if you're making large quantities to store it for more than a month, then transfer the tempering only after it completely cools down. Mix everything well and leave it aside for a few hours, say about 3 to 4 hours, and then adjust salt if required, as all the flavors will be infused by then. And there you have your finger-licking grated mango pickle is ready. Serve it with some hot steamed rice and a dollop of ghee, and it's like you'll really be in heaven. If you do try this recipe, tag me on Instagram and you can follow me on all other social media platforms. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing and do not forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. That was it for today guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me Padma signing off.